Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not the same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your boy P Fire, aka P is for I have nothing today. It's too early. Anyway, this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. Yeah, let's call it that. I'm outside, as you can see. Where can you see? Can you see? Let me show you if you can see. It's right there. Terrible. Adidas. We're back here again. Little Spzl drop. You know what I'm saying? Can I see it in the window? You can see it. We'll get to that. Of course, I'm not number 50 today. I'm number 2 behind this gentleman here, Taylor. I'll put his stuff down below. You would have seen him in the other videos, but yeah, we're out here a bit early and we're hoping that we don't have to stay here all night. But yeah, I'll be interviewing this man a little bit as well about his get up and so on and so forth. But let me show you a little bit about the Creps in hand. Alright, so today we have these Pulsebeat Spzls. I'll give you a closer look later. As you can see the box, you can see the insoles. These are a very, very nice shoe. A bit Manchester United heavy, as you can see on the apparel right there, but that's cool. We ain't getting none of that, you know. The Creps stand alone. The box is beautiful. Surprise little drop. Well, surprise if you didn't know, but if you know, you know. And yeah. Alright gang, that's my little intro. I'll be showing you more bits of the Campout. If there is a Campout, we might just be able to go home, we'll find out. But yeah, alright man, we'll catch you in a bit. Peace.
Go round. Shall I have the big back tag?
Yeah, go on, I'm gonna get you all, mate. I'm gonna get you all in. Look at our Mick, always fresh dressed. The man who brought double jackets as well, that's a man you can trust. You know what I mean? How you doing, Mick?
Yeah, I'm all good, thank you very much.
Just us three today.
Pleasure to see you.
Pleasure to see you, just us three. We're getting you in. Looking very well, sir. Looking very well. It's tradition now to get the bags, isn't it? God, my knees. The youth has long gone.
You're only a teenager.
And a special pair. I wish. 45, man, I wish. I might edit that bit out.
Yeah, cut the head off.
Nah, never that.
I've got nothing to worry about, I just don't, I'm not very photogenic.
Nah, come on, Mick, man. You're in all the vids so far, so let's not stop things now. Do you know what I mean? Cheeky bit of black one. This chair that Taylor's in, yeah, is a fucking dream. Look at that chair. Look. Taylor's not exactly a little guy. Look. Not only is he comfortable, he's got room. A little bit aqua skates. Look at my chair, piece of rubbish. I can barely fit in it. It's like I've had a growth spurt.
You've been eating too many burgers.
I know, the wrong kind as well. Let me just show you the window. Come. You see it. Adidas Spzl. You see the little sole right there. You see them. Let me take you inside. Let me take you inside so you can see what I'm going. Man, he is sharper than sharpest. You got the gold, you got the spats. Are they called spats? Yeah.
Fresh like Hamleys.
I know. He is a dude. He's not regular, that's for sure. And it's Sunday, so I love that he's in a little Sunday best there. Yeah, man. It's got to be the motto, innit? Treat yourself.
I treat myself too often, that's the problem.
Oh, so don't we all? Look at us here on a Sunday. Do you know what I mean?
The old Stackley tramp. I'm tramping out tonight. Oh no.
Nah, never tramping. Always cooling. Never tramping, always cooling.